Alright, what's going on, guys? Back again. If you've seen the last video, we were out on the highway with Dylan the 180. We were out there again, didn't get any videos because I forgot the camera and I was rushing trying to get the Cressida ready, but we got the Cresty out there too and I loved it. Might throw in some random clips there somewhere if I can find them. But, Dylan, what'd you buy?
So I finally decided to relive my teenage dream and buy another SS Ute. I had one years ago, but I had an unfortunate accident with a kangaroo, mate. And I've been missing having an SS Ute ever since, so I finally fucking bought another one. This one's manual this time.
Wow.
And it fucking, I don't know, it's kind of slow compared to the 180s. Sorry, Commodore owners, but it's true, they're just heavy. But they do good skids and they spin the wheels nicely, so I'll give yous that. But yeah, it's fucking clean as fuck. It's on earbuds, which I didn't really like at the start, but they've fucking grown on me, so I'm keeping them. But apparently, when you buy cars nowadays, they don't come with wheels anymore, so you've got to pay an extra $1,000, but that's okay, because they look sick. So, yeah, taking it out for the first time. Well, I've skidded it like one time before this, and it didn't even spin the wheels, it just snapped a CV immediately. So, got some stockies to go on the back this time.
Yeah, but how many K's got to 270,000? Come on,
yeah,
give it a break. Give it a break.
I think it was leaking. Well, I never snapped a CV in my old Ute, so I guess they're alright, but honestly, it's been flogged its whole life before I got it, but it seems to have been serviced.
I don't know, but it's tidy as. That's the same reason why I haven't.
For a high kilometer manual SS, I'm very happy with the fucking gearbox. It shifts fine, no crunches, no fucking weird putting in it just goes into gear, doesn't crunch, which is weird for a skidded T56. Usually they're fucking trash. But yeah. We'll see if we can ruin it. But yeah, it's got all the right mods, got the VCM OTR intake, got the headers, got the fucking tune. It's basically ready for a cam. When I decide that it's got too many oil leaks and want to fix them all, I'll put a cam in it.
So pretty much a stock LS. Pretty much
a stock LS with all the little bolt-ons and a tune, so which is all you need unless you can't drive. Anyone that thinks otherwise is a fucking pussy. Oh, sorry for the language, but
Dylan's really taking his hat out there to all the LS lovers. Hey, let's picture. Hey, they're sick. They're mad.
Honestly, I've missed LS since I last had one. Like, they don't make.
Hey, but we both fucking grew up like 18 years old, learning to drive LS.
Well, we are in Australia, so
yeah,
it's just the Aussie way. Suits me, to be honest, except I feel like a little kid in this car compared to driving a fucking. Honestly, I feel so small compared to when I'm driving a 180 that's designed for little Japanese men. I feel like I'm so big in them, but I get in this and it just makes me feel like a little kid again.
How tall are you, Dylan, for anyone that wants to know?
I actually don't know. Very tall, 6'7", ladies. Follow the Instagram.
Tinder bio below. But yeah, we're on the highway, we're cruising out. Lockdown, locking down.
There's a fucking. We're going to go through a police checkpoint to get back into Canberra, and we've got New South Wales plates still, so they're going to pull us in. But if they were to defect me, it's not in my name yet, so I'm getting a roadworthy done soon anyway. Once I convert everything back to standard.
Yes. Right. We'll probably. We're about to throw the mention there. We got a shitbox 180 in there.
Little Team Blast fangirl with a fucking Team Blast hoodie on, dressed to impress.
Oh, stop it. I've actually got mine. Do I have mine? Hang on.
I got vomit.
Yeah, we sort of got on there, half on there.
I got vomit on mine last night, so no Team Blast merch for me today, so it's in the wash.
Stop it. But yeah, so you actually better be doing a skid or you don't get to come out here ever again. So.
Yeah, I agree with that. If you come out here and you don't skid, you don't come back.
Yeah, who comes out to a skid spot and doesn't do a skid?
Also, we got a bit of a fucking rep to live up to because we've seen a bunch of Instagram videos of a couple of other blokes that go out there with blowers, so we're going to have to fucking send it hard to try and keep up, Yeah. It is my new car though, and it has a really nice paint job, so unfortunately
It's his daily.
You won't be seeing me belt rim and blow side skirts off because I drive this to work and I don't want to pay for body work. I'm sick of fucking smashing shit. So, sorry. I'm not as loose as I once was when I used to drive back on my fucking diff with popped 15s with triple SLs in the rear. But yeah.
Dead days.
I'm looking after this one.
Right. We'll see you there.
Boom, boom, boom.
Anyway, we're here. They all just drove like 40 kilometers up the road. Now I have to walk. But let's do it.
Not here though, obviously.
Now you actually have to do a tip-in up there. One. No excuse. You've come out here, you have to do a burnout. That's the rules. Anyway, last people out here had a fair crack at it.
Hand blowers.
To be fair, but when we were out here, none of us went through any tyres, and it was fucking snowing actually. It was literally, snow was landing on the cars, on the ground, but it was melting like at the same, but it was sleeting. I don't know if that's good snow, but it was cold. It was really cold.
The what? What's the what? I'm starting to think maybe the fucking really thick diff oil that came out of this was like for a reason. Maybe that's why it did such good cold.
Did you not put thick stuff back in?
I did, but it wasn't as thick as the shit that came out. It took me like 25 minutes to drain it. Hopefully this car doesn't just roll away when I jack it up, but this jack's pretty fucking...
This is why there's no mint SS Utes left, Dylan.
Well, there is, it's just that you have to not be.
Yep.
It's up enough when I say it's up enough.
Jesus. Keep PG.
Sorry. I forgot about the old trust.
Tell you, checking the front wheels, getting ready to do skids. You got enough tread up there or what?
Sorry?
Got enough tread up there or what?
Fronts are fine.
See, fronts are fine. She's good. She's good for... Yeah, we'll rotate them as if. No excuse now.
Oh, no way. I should just get new rear tyres.
You want to see how defectible we are down there?
Oh, the old fucking...
Oh, they're not even that bad.
No, they're pretty bad.
Yeah, you only got to drive home.
It's only my daily, it's fine.
Borrow mum's car, no stress.
Yeah, as if you don't...
Can't see shit, but I'm assuming he's parked up here near this tree. I think he's starting from down here actually. Which way are you tipping in? Anyway, I'm just gonna rock this as he's not gonna hit me, hopefully. Can't see shit. What do you reckon?
Mate, loves it.
Yeah, just drop it in second.
I did.
Yeah, I told ya. Let me have a look. What do you reckon to you? JDM fanboys can't do that. Oh yeah, they're right. No, they're fucked.
I don't want to slap it. Did I slap it at all? No.
Nah, it's done, but look, have a look. Have a look at this side.
Yeah, that's good. No slap.
Right.
Next time, let's just go home and get the other wheels off of the VS that I'm supposed to sell it on and go skid them as well. This dude, I forgot how good LSs do skids. I like stopped up there because I wanted to be able to see when I tipped it in down near the trees. They want to go so far off the road, man. It's not like a 180 where they stop. You actually have to get on the brake when you're going back.
Yeah, you got to fucking give it that jab just halfway around to stop it.
So I used to be scared in my old ute because if I gave it the jab a brake when I was going backwards, it used to do a single peggo when it came out.
Yeah.
So I used to just have to throw that cunt halfway off the road and stay on it until it pulled itself back on.
Well, you got a full 2 minutes and 3-minute video of you doing skids.
Fucking loves Limmy. I miss LSs. Can't wait.
Right, Tower. One skid. Just one hoop. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, just go uphill. Don't go downhill.
I can't believe I nearly got the full 360 in and then it fucking like lost momentum before I got the wheel back. It's not like a little Jap car, the ratio is longer. I just turn the wheel once and it goes, the wheels go.
I know. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy another skid car. I'm just gonna have to go do skids again. Nah.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
going
so fun. I'm like fucking bogans, man. Drifting so much better. Now I'm like, skids.
Nah, skids are sick.
I really want, like, I'd love to blow the fucking rears off it, but nice paint job. Nice paint job.
For everyone out there going, yeah, you fucking bunch of pussies. Look, it's already got a fucking scratch there. Do it. Don't be a bitch.
No way. I don't want to lose the pods.
It's like
I feel like this is going to be like an annoying car to get shit painted for.
If someone is watching this video and goes, my mate owns this, used to own this shit, bulk sets popped off it. Well, you know what? He's fixed it, and Dylan doesn't want to fix it again.
I hate seeing these drive around with no rear pods. I respect it, and I think that's big dick energy if you don't have them, but I like the way they look, and I'm not buying more.
Anyway, move your shit box.
Okay. 3/4 temp too.
Oh, well, lucky for you.
And it's like, I didn't put all the way cool in it, because I only had the garden hose, and I want to mix some red in there, but I didn't have any.
Oh, I guess we'll wait for this bastard. Just heaps of limiter. Heaps and heaps. More brake! Give it the more brake! Real quick, just before everyone goes, just go second and change the second. Now, actually, you set a car in second gear. It's got like 250 kilowatts or something, but yeah, that's second. So there you go. That's not first.
Yeah, I've got a rubber bung from Super Cheap on mine, and it's just rubber, and it's scary having it that close to hot, but it's never had an issue.
Okay.
And when it does finally split, oil will go over your manifold and your car will catch on fire.
Yeah,
but it hasn't happened yet.
Because I want to get that catch can, but I need to get rid of that hose because it's not working with my setup.
Yeah, it gets rid of this completely. So you just get,
That'd be awesome. That's what I'm saving for next.
And then you don't have a catch can that sits down there and leaks oil over.
No wonder it's so fucking loud. Look at this thing.
Yeah, my exhaust like back.
Yeah, that's right. You can open the gate this time. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Dylan's stock BYSS shit. He just bought, goes hard as. He's cruising back to town. I'm cruising the bus home. Yeah, I want one again. I want to sell my Ranger and buy one. Fuck it, you can tow with them. I don't care. It's sick. I love them. If you loved it, subscribe. If you liked it, subscribe. If you hated it, fuck it, subscribe. Anyway, see you in the next one. Hopefully with some more content coming up. And anyway, peace out.